Quinoa. What? Quinoa is that weird ingredient that some people have never even heard of, let alone eaten. But it's one of my very favorite bases for bowls and salads. Not really a grain, not really a vegetable. It's called a pseudo cereal, and you can find it in the rice aisle of your grocery store. A bag of quinoa isn't cheap, but it does make a lot, so it'll last you a while. Quinoa needs to be rinsed before it's cooked or it'll be really bitter, so be sure to buy a brand that comes pre-washed. It's just easier that way. Quinoa is super easy to prepare. Here's how I do it. Bring 2 cups of water to boil in a pot. Add 1 cup quinoa and simmer covered for 12 minutes until the water is absorbed. Turn off the heat and fluff it with a fork. I like to place a towel, whether a tea towel or a paper towel, it doesn't matter, between the cover and the pot to help absorb extra moisture. Let it rest an additional 15 minutes covered. That's all there is to it. The quinoa is ready now. I can fluff it with a fork and serve it right away as a side dish or in salads or bowls. Refrigerate it in an airtight container for up to 4 days.